Want premium earbuds without breaking the bank? OnePlus just teased the Buds Pro 4 today, packing AI-enhanced noise cancellation and a 12-hour battery for just $129. Set for a May 1st launch, they're trending huge on X for their budget-friendly brilliance. Stick around to see why these earbuds are about to steal the show. What's good, audio fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. It's April 2025, and OnePlus just dropped a teaser for the Buds Pro 4, launching May 1st. With AI-powered active noise cancellation, a 12-hour battery life, and a target price of $129, these earbuds are sparking major buzz. X users are hyping their value, and OnePlus is promising a game changer. Let's unpack what's got everyone excited. So, what's the deal with the OnePlus Buds Pro 4? Based on the teaser and OnePlus's track record, they're building on the Buds Pro 3's premium vibe. Expect AI-enhanced ANC up to 50 dB, adapting to your environment from noisy commutes to quiet cafes, with smarter noise suppression than the 48 dB Buds Pro 2. The 12-hour battery life per bud, likely 40+ hours with the case, is a big leap from the 10-hour Buds Pro 3 with 10-minute warp charge giving hours of playtime. They will likely keep dual drivers, an 11mm woofer and 6mm tweeter, tuned by Dyne Audio for rich bass and crisp highs, supporting LHDC 5.0 for high-res audio. With Bluetooth 5.4, IP55 water resistance, and dual device connection, they're gym-ready and versatile. The Hey Melody app will let you tweak EQ and ANC modes, plus Zen Mode Air for relaxing white noise. All this for a target price of $129. Why is this blowing up? X users are losing it over the $129 price target. That's $50 less than the $179 Buds Pro 3 and half the cost of AirPods Pro 2. Posts like OnePlus is killing it with budget ANC are everywhere. The AI-enhanced ANC promises to outshine the Buds Pro 3's 50 dB cancellation, although sources noted the Buds Pro 3's transparency mode was weak, so we're hoping for upgrades there. The 12-hour battery per bud is a standout, especially with wireless charging and reverse charging from phones like the OnePlus 12. Compared to the $130 Anker Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro, the Buds Pro 4's Dyne Audio tuning and AI smarts could give it an edge. For gamers, expect low-latency game mode and spatial audio with head tracking for immersive movies. This is premium audio on a budget. Alright, let's get you in on this. Picture the Buds Pro 4 in your ears. What's your vibe? Blocking out the world with AI ANC on a noisy train? Vibing to bass-heavy tracks during a run? Or chilling with Zen Mode's white noise? Drop your dream Buds Pro 4 moment in the comments.